Now here we have an essential item from Ugreen for the mobile amongst us all. Power sources? The one on the far right is the strongest, which is for both input and output, and can handle 140 watts, though it says 145 at the bottom of my box here. Followed by the USB-C on the other end, and then the USB port in the middle, both of which are used for output only. If you're getting this new, fully charge it before the first use. A 3-second press to the power button allows you to trickle charge, and you double-click to turn it off. This charges up in less than a couple of hours, assuming 65 watts of input, and only 30 minutes with 140 watts. It's pretty good, I say. Now, this is far from the lightest or smallest power bank you'll find. It's hefty at well over 400 grams and will not fit into a mini purse. But for 25,000 milliamp hours and a battery that lasts much longer than the competition, I'd say it's pretty darn good, and good value for money too. This is an essential item if you're working on the go and want to make sure you never run out of power. No problem on flights, though I think this is the current max. It can fully charge a MacBook Air with room to spare for other goodies. Highly, highly recommend.